Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely vanilla cake. Very easy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an The very day I made this vanilla cake, I also made the red velvet cake, but I've already posted the video earlier. So if you have not seen this video, go to my description box below. I'll be putting the video for the red velvet cake. Go and enjoy. So feel free to try out this recipe. If you have not joined my Telegram, it's important you share your own experience and encourage me to do more. Feel free to invite a friend to this lovely channel, and also feel free to ask your questions, comment, and please share my video. Let's start. For this vanilla cake, I need my 500 grams of butter. That you can also use your margarine, 500 grams of flour. I have my sugar. I'm using 300 grams of sugar. If it's for a baby's cake, you can add more, but this is an adult cake. I have my 250 cup of milk. I have my vanilla. I'll be adding a tablespoon. I have my baking powder. I'll also be adding 2 teaspoons and 10 eggs. Let's start mixing. Inside the mixing bowl, we'll add your margarine or butter. Mix a little and you add your sugar. Continue creaming. Please, if you have hand mixer or standing mixer, feel free to use. I try my best to do this so that if you don't have a hand mixer, if you don't have a standing mixer, you can also bake your cake and it will come out beautiful. Keep on creaming till the butter and sugar is looking fluffy. Take your time to do this. For the dry ingredients, into your flour, add your 2 teaspoons of baking powder and you sieve it out. Wash your 10 eggs and you crack one after the other. Whisk the eggs very well until it's foaming and you add your vanilla flame. You can see the butter and sugar has doubled in size and is looking pale. So right now I will start adding a little of the wet ingredients, a little of the dry ingredient, a little of your flour, a little of the sugar mixture. Take your time to incorporate everything. This holiday season, please make sure you go and join my Telegram so that you'll be sharing your own experience with me. Anything you bake with my recipe, please, I will be happy to see it. So feel free to share it on my Telegram so that other bakers, if you have questions, feel free to relate with us. We can support you bake that cake and it come out lovely. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my newest video, so that if I drop new video, you will get a notification. So feel free to like my video, give me some thumbs up, feel free to share to your friend, and again, invite somebody to Progressive Cakes. Tell somebody about this channel. I have more than 300 and something recipes for you, cake recipes, wedding cake recipes, so many things you will love. Feel free to check out other videos on my channel. Go to my videos and watch the other videos. After adding the wet and dry ingredients, feel free to start adding your milk lastly. At this time, before you start mixing the wet and dry ingredients, make sure you have started preheating your oven. It's very important before mixing your wet and dry ingredients to your butter and sugar. Make sure you have on your oven and start preheating it. And you grease your pan and dust with flour. My cake batter is ready. I'll be using two different pans for this. This is 8 inches pan I'll be using. So feel free to use, if you're using 6, you can use 3 or 4. At least if you're using 6, you're supposed to use 4. Even if you want a fluffy and light and what I call it, very soft cake, you can use 3 different pans. So I'll be teaching on that in my next video. So tap it on the table to close up all air bubbles before you take to the oven. I baked for 30 minutes. My cake is ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like my video. Bye.